In this enlightening series, SuiteTrails takes you on an adventure through Bali's enchanting Ubud region. Prepare to discover 7 breathtaking villas that promise serene retreats and unforgettable experiences amidst nature's beauty. Join us as we explore the essence of Bali's luxury lifestyle through these idyllic abodes.
Remember that you have the links to all the accommodations in the description.
Villa Beji Mawang Ubud by Pramana Villas, nestled amidst lush teak plantations overlooking the Ayung River, offers a luxurious retreat in Lodtan. Beautifully designed villa provides accommodation with ease, featuring spacious rooms equipped with all necessary amenities such as ceiling fans, flat-screen TVs with international channels, work desks, and personal safes. Each room also includes modern kitchens, dining areas with cocktail bars, lounging settings, and an infinity pool offering scenic views of the garden and river. Villa Beji Mawang Ubud by Pramana Villa stands out due to its complimentary Wi-Fi and ample free parking space, making it ideal for both leisure and business travelers alike. Villa Kapang Mas Ubud offers a serene retreat in Ubud, boasting an outdoor pool nestled among verdant tropical landscape. At 2,625 feet away from Ubud Market, the villa's proximity allows guests easy access to local markets and cultural sites. Enjoy panoramic views of the garden and nearby rivers, as each villa features a private balcony or terrace equipped with comfortable seating, and outdoor furnishings. Air-conditioned rooms come standard, offering comfort during hot evenings. Flat-screen satellite TVs provide entertainment options, and private bathrooms include both baths and shower scenes. Ubud Virgin Villa, located in the picturesque Ubud area, boasts luxurious accommodation featuring spacious villas equipped with modern amenities. Each villa offers high ceilings and stylish decor, complete with ceiling fans and air conditioning for optimal comfort. Its range from those offering expansive outdoor spaces to more intimate ones boasting scenic views of the rice paddies. Additional perks include complimentary access to a spa and wellness center, as well as a variety of recreational facilities, such as a gym and yoga studio for relaxation. Guests can indulge in the spa services or unwind by taking advantage of the jacuzzi. A complimentary breakfast buffet awaits in the morning, ensuring a perfect start to the day. Villa Badao Wetan, managed by Manara, located approximately 3 miles east of Nika Art Museum in Ubud, offers luxurious accommodations with stunning views overlooking both the private pool and expansive outdoor terraces. This exclusive villa features a private pool, free Wi-Fi, and ample free private parking, making it ideal for those seeking privacy and convenience. The villa boasts a spacious layout comprising 1 bedroom, a fully equipped kitchen, and 2 bathrooms featuring a hot tub and a spa-like bath. Each guest will enjoy their own bedroom, complete with bed linens and towels, ensuring comfort throughout their stay. A comfortable living room and a modern flat-screen cable TV provide entertainment options during downtime time. Villa Niyamas Ubud, situated in Ubud, boasts a picturesque setting within easy reach of Ubud Palace and Saraswati Temple, offering a blend of modern amenities and traditional charm. This luxurious villa provides guests with unparalleled comfort and convenience. Nestled among lush gardens and a serene bar, Villa Niyamas Ubud invites relaxation and leisure. The villa features a private swimming pool and access to complimentary Wi-Fi, ensuring guests stay connected throughout their stay. Private parking is available upon request, providing a convenient solution for arriving guests. For those seeking a more active experience, staff can organize shuttle services to nearby attractions, such as Ubud Monkey Forest and Blanco Museum. Area Villas, Ubud stands as a breathtaking retreat, nestled amidst lush natural landscapes, blending modern elegance with tropical charm. This exquisite collection of villas offers guests unparalleled privacy, complete with complimentary Wi-Fi access, private plunge pools, and stunning views over the verdant valley below. Conveniently located within a short stroll of downtown Ubud's vibrant atmosphere, these luxurious abodes provide easy access to a range of attractions, including the Antonio Blanco Museum, the awe-inspiring Monkey Forest, and the picturesque rice terraces of Tegalangwangki Forest. Greet guests warmly upon arrival at Gaya Risni Villa in Ubud, an idyllic tropical getaway renowned for its stunning landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Nestled along the banks of the sacred river Badugal, this luxurious villa offers unparalleled privacy and comfort, perfectly positioned just 1 mile away from the iconic Elephant Cave and within walking distance of the enchanting Ubud Monkey Forest. Upon entering the villa, guests will be greeted by the soothing ambience of modern design, infused with traditional Balinese aesthetics.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.